It's 7 a.m. and then 7:15 a.m. and then 7:30, and you've overslept your alarm. You should have woken up in time to get ready for work or school or your appointment, but you've inevitably overslept that alarm, and it's not your fault. It's because your iPhone volume when that alarm went off was never loud enough, or it got too quiet to even hear. I'm going to show you a common trouble and a common mistake most people make when they set up their iPhone alarm, and how you can set it up so that you will always wake up on your iPhone alarm. So let's open up the clock app. So swipe down from the top right and then find that little clock icon. That opens up the clock app, or you can just search for the clock app or alarm app on your own. Tap on alarms here, and the first thing you need to do is here you can see 6:45 a.m. wake up every day. Tap on the alarm and then tap on where it says sound. On here, if you scroll down and this is set to none, of course, this sounds like a mistake, but you might have set the sound to none. So then it doesn't make a sound. So I would recommend switching this to something default like radio or something like that. Now, on here, you can also choose whether to enable snooze or not. You might be accidentally handling it or tapping on it and it snoozes it, so you can choose to turn this off and then check mark. However, there are other things that could be potentially causing issues. So let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now, the sound volume for those alarms is this ringtone and alerts volume. Keep in mind, it is not the volume slider when you swipe down from the top right in the control center. It is this volume. So turn this all the way up so that you'll definitely be able to hear it. And you can also choose to turn off change with buttons, because if you accidentally over the course of the day press the volume down button when it's in your pocket or purse, it will inadvertently turn that volume back down. But there's another secret setting that could be muting your alarms just because your face is in front of your camera or in front of your phone. So tap the back arrow, tap on Face ID and passcode, and you'll need to enter in the passcode for your phone. Let me do that real quick. Scroll down and look for require attention for Face ID and attention aware features. You can see require attention means you need to be able to look at your phone for it to unlock, and attention aware features says iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding the notifications, and lowering volume on some alerts. So if you have attention aware features turned on, even if you kind of roll your head over and your iPhone detects that your face is kind of near it or kind of in front of it, it will lower the volume of that alarm sound. All you need to do is toggle that feature off, and you should be able to go and wake up for any alarm so you don't miss your important meeting. I hope this helps. If it did, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that video, and thanks for watching.